Kailan po ulit ginagamit ang has had at have had, or correct po ba ang paggamit ng mga to? Yes, grammatical sila, correct sila gamitin. Ngayon, kung kailan mo sila ginagamit, di depende ka sa subject. Ang has had, gagamitin mo sa singular nouns o kaya pronouns he, she, it. Ang have had naman, gagamitin mo sa plural nouns o kaya naman pronouns I, you, we, they. Itong dalawa na to, pareho silang nasa present perfect tense. Nagtatalo lang sila sa subject-verb agreement kung kailan mo sila gagamitin. Halimbawa, she has had 3 cups of coffee today. Gumamit tayo ng has had kasi she yung subject natin. Which again, kapag he, she, it na pronoun, has had yung gagamitin natin. Ibig sabihin, ngayong araw, nakatatlong cups of coffee na siya. Now, pag sinabing we have had 3 projects this year, gumamit na tayo ng have had kasi we na yung subject natin. Again, for I, you, we, they, have had na yung gagamitin. Ibig sabihin, ngayong taon na to, nakasalukuyan, nakakatatlong projects na kayo.